Hi friends, we are Ghumakkad Ishqbaz. We travel to spread ish.
Spiti means the middle land. Novelist Rudyard Kipling describes Spiti as a world within a world, a place where the gods live, something that holds true to the present day. We started early morning from Dhankar. After 9 kilometers, reached Atargu Bridge, takes a left turn and it's a straight run to Pin Valley, driving right next to Pin River. Pin is a beautiful valley in Lahaul and Spiti district, formed by Pin River that runs throughout its length before merging with Spiti River. This valley is also the location of a wildlife reserve called Pin Valley National Park.
क्या गाना है? हमने घर छोड़ा है ना स्मोक और ड्रग बाबा दूर कहीं जाएंगे दूर कहीं जाएंगे दुनिया बस आएंगे
Wildly furious but majestic Pin River flows right through it, turning the entire valley into carpets of green with snow-capped mountains rising in the background. Sunny weather, strong winds, miles and miles of isolation. Stunning views, enchanting silence, colorful flowers all around. The transformation from shades of a desert to echoes of greenery. Put this all together and you have a magical Pin Valley to dive yourself into. जब इत्मीनान से खंगाला खुद को, थोड़ा मैं मिला और बहुत सारी तुम. Pin Valley National Park is a home to the grey ghosts of Himalayas, the snow leopard. It is also the natural habitat of several other animals like Siberian ibex, red fox and marten. Several rare birds like Himalayan snowcock, golden eagle and snowfinch can also be found here. Mud is the last village in Pin Valley that you can reach by road. It also acts as the trekking base for Pin Parvati Pass and Bhaba Valley Trail. The park is spread over a total area of 1150 square kilometers, of which the core area is about 675 square kilometers. तुम पुल हो जिससे गुजरकर मैं खुद तक पहुंचता हूं.
तुम्ही ने छुआ होगा हवा यूं बेवजह कभी नहीं महकी
There is not much to do in Pin Valley actually, but that is the reason why you should plan a visit here. You come here to relax and do nothing. Take a couple of days, slow down the time and life a bit, sit down and have a cup of tea while watching the sun coming up from behind the hills. Know what it feels like to experience every hour of the day. That is Pin Valley for us. The beautiful town of Kaza is on the left bank of the Spiti River in the majestic Lahaul and Spiti Valley. Kaza is surrounded by high mountains, crystal clear river and streams, and barren landscapes interspersed with green landscapes and meadows. Don't miss to taste the traditional Tibetan dishes like thukpa, kyu, thentuk, momos, sampa, etc. To truly experience delicious, mouth-watering Lahaul Spiti food, choose a homestay, जहां आप मेहमान नवाजी की तहजीब को शिद्दत से महसूस कर पाएंगे। Next morning, we were heading to Langza village, 16 kilometers away from Kaza. A 1,000-year-old village just approaching to the sky. Once I reach there, I feel like I can watch over the world just like Buddha. I have not been to the Everest yet, but after Langza, I can understand how it feels when you are on the top, when almost nothing is taller than you. As you approach Langza, you start seeing a humongous golden-colored statue of Buddha from a kilometer away. In the serenity which surrounds all mortal beings at Langza, this statue of Buddha seems like watching over the world. Langza is truly a little paradise. Kamik is claimed to be the highest village in the world connected with a motorable road. Kamik is the highest village in Asia and is located at a height of 18,000 feet above sea level. The fossils of Tethys found in this area. These fossils belong to the late Jurassic Age and are 150 million years old. Hikkim, the highest post office in the world.
दोस्तों के नाम एक खत जेब में लेकर क्या चले, करीब से गुजरने वाले पूछते इत्र का नाम क्या है।
Located around 12 kilometers from Kaza, Key Monastery is the most famous Tibetan monastery in Spiti. Positioned on a picturesque hilltop and is very close to Spiti River. This monastery was established in the 11th century and is the largest monastery in Spiti Valley. A large number of Buddhist monks, nuns and lamas live in this religious training center to receive their religious education here. The walls of the monastery are decorated with beautiful paintings and murals, thankas, valuable manuscripts, and unique wind instruments. It is also famous for Charm Festival.
रुपेश यहाँ पर मॉन्क्स के साथ क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं।
जी लो हर लम्हा बीत जाने से पहले कि लौट कर बस यादें आती हैं, वक्त नहीं।
Cheers for Spiti! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Whoa!
In the next episode, we will take you to the Kunzum Pass and Chandratal. Stay connected.